Badger is proud to introduce its newly UL-listed and approved Halon 1211 replacement extinguisher line, featuring the environmentally acceptable clean extinguishing agent Halotron 1. Halotron 1 is approved by the United States Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, as a streaming agent substitute for Halon 1211 in its Significant New Alternatives Policy SNAP program. The SNAP program is mandated by the provisions of the Clean Air Act amendments of 1990, which in the United States implement the Montreal Protocol on substances that deplete the ozone layer. Presently, one base ingredient being utilized in the Halotron 1 agent formulation is slated for a production phase-out between the years of 2015 and 2030. It is, however, important to understand that this phase-out date only relates to the new production of this one raw material and not to the use or sale of Halotron 1, which will be available well beyond the year 2030. When considering a clean extinguishing agent, it is important to also compare how Halotron's short atmospheric life and low GWP, global warming potential, make it the most environmentally acceptable choice. Halotron 1 has been tested and evaluated by the military and the Federal Aviation Administration for use as a firefighting agent replacement for Halon 1211. In June of 1995, the FAA approved Halotron's use for airport firefighting. Since that time, over 25 major international airports have converted their 500-pound Halon 1211 airport crash rescue truck-mounted systems to Halotron 1. The 1998 edition of the National Fire Protection Standard for Portable Fire Extinguishers, NFPA 10, references halogenated extinguishing agents as being either halons or halocarbons. Halotron 1 is an HCFC, or hydrochlorofluorocarbon-based blend, identified and recognized within the NFPA 10 standard as a halocarbon agent. The discharge of Halotron 1 is not restricted or subjected to the same stringent handling requirements as was Halon 1211, so live fire training of personnel is again possible. Halotron 1 has a very similar toxicological profile to Halon 1211, so it has quickly become the most popular halon replacement extinguishing agent used in the portable fire extinguisher industry. Badger Halotron 1 extinguishers primarily extinguish a fire by cooling the combustion zone. The Halotron 1 agent discharges as a liquid to provide excellent firefighting ranges, then rapidly evaporates into a gas that leaves no residue to clean up after discharge. Because Halotron has a higher boiling point than Halon 1211, it can be discharged in smaller sized droplets and in a wider, more precisely dispersed stream to obtain desirable firefighting ranges. Novice firefighters don't have to be as accurate or concerned with the potential splashing of burning materials as they might be with the narrower, high-velocity straight stream discharges often associated with Halon 1211. Badger Halotron portable fire extinguishers have been tested to the national UL ANSI 711 fire test guidelines and have been fully listed by Underwriters Laboratories. All models, with the exception of the smallest 2BC rated unit, are approved for use by the United States Coast Guard when accompanied with the proper Badger extinguisher mounting bracket. Badger extinguisher models all feature heavy-duty drawn steel cylinders and siphon tubes for rugged service within all applications. Quality discharge valve assemblies feature extremely durable machined aluminum or plated brass materials, all machined to tight tolerances to ensure optimum performance and dependable operation. Extinguisher cylinders all feature a special corrosion-resistant powder paint exterior finish that extends the life of an extinguisher even in harsh environments. Badger offers several sizes of Halotron clean agent extinguishers to fit a wide range of hazard applications such as robotic operations, computer rooms, communication centers, clean rooms, museums, laboratories, yachts, and data storage areas. Badger Halotron 1 extinguishers are the ideal choice anytime a clean agent extinguisher is required. They are desirable for fire hazard applications where a clean extinguishing agent must be more effective, versatile, and user-friendly than water or carbon dioxide extinguishers. For additional information, contact your local authorized Badger Fire Equipment distributor or contact Badger directly.